Okay, guys, today we're going to be doing a Bulgarian split squat on a machine. This is going to be very handy for stability when you don't want to hold the dumbbells, or maybe it's a little bit difficult, whatever it is. This is a fantastic option here for the gym. All we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we set up our pad height. That's going to be good for us. This has a little of adjustable thing, so that makes it even. So I'm going to put my 1 foot in there, and I'm just going to give it a test run here with no weights. And this feels really good and natural for me. I can get nice and deep in my right leg here. This is the working leg currently, and I can push up. You can adjust your foot a little bit forward or back, depending on the position. We're going to be doing a glute bias Bulgarian split squat. If I want to do more of a quad bias, I would change my foot positioning. So now that I have this, I can grab the handles on the outside or on the inside here. I'm gonna set myself up and push up, driving through all parts of the foot, making sure that I'm not wobbly on my foot. I'm not just driving through my toes. I'm not just driving through my heels. I'm driving through all 3 points on my foot. And I'm keeping my armpit and lat area nice and braced when performing this exercise. Coming down, driving up, coming down, driving up. And then I'll switch to the other side after.